Hello everybody and welcome to another video. In this video we will go a little bit in depth about how can you organize your TradingView and what are some shortcuts about TradingView that really can make your life easier. So we will make one good chart. We will play a little bit with colors. So I'm gonna give you basic instructions on how can your chart look good so that when you're trading, you're analyzing all the details, you don't have this it's not destruction, it's my mind is lagging again, bro. Noises, let's say noises in the chart. Okay, so let's get right into it. I didn't make a new TradingView, so for the beginners it's really easy thing to do. Type TradingView on Google, so it will open up, make account. I think first month you get free month. Just enter your email, etc., and yeah, choose your plan that you've been taking. So if you want to backtest, and you need to backtest, if you're in our community, you need to be paying for TradingView. So I think it's $15 a month, and you can use bar replay. So if you don't pay for TradingView, you will not be able to use the bar replay, so you will not be able to backtest the strategy, and you really need bar replay button. So you're gonna need to pay for TradingView. There is a hack, so if you don't want to pay it, you can really make a new email every month, but I wouldn't recommend that. Why? Because we want our TradingView to be organized, and if you want to organize it, you need to have one TradingView, not to play every month with new TradingView. So yeah, let's start. So first thing you want to do is create an account on TradingView, your name, your details, everything, and you want to pay $15 that you have this button accessible. And when you click on chart, it will be like that. So right now it's really messy, it's all over the place. Again, when we're trading, we want to have a really clean chart that we can spot all the small details in the price. So the first thing what you want to do is really here you have indicators, your indicators. So first thing you want to do is really click this remove, and you can see the bottom corner, this indicator is going to be removed. Okay, so the second thing that we want to do is really make our chart. Okay, yeah, right now that's your preference. I'm gonna it's all about you, how you're gonna make it. I'm gonna show you how I make my own chart, so maybe you can copy that. It's really good chart, or you can make your own. Really doesn't it doesn't matter. So the first thing is appearance. Okay, so our background, my personal background, is white. Okay, and this also needs to be white. Okay, so you can see that we have removed these lines behind the chart, and really our chart is clean. Okay, it has one color, it's white. You know, you can really look what is good for you. Maybe some of you don't want to have the white background, because when you're looking at the chart, it's gonna be more bright. Maybe your eyes are not good with it, or etc. So you can make your own chart, whatever it feels like for you better. I'm using white chart. So again, here is what is your background. So right now background is perfect. We won't be doing anything with all of this, so we don't need it. We just need to really see what we need to do. As you can see, right now, if we make if you make a black chart, you can see those lines. Okay, and we don't want these lines because they're really retail stuff, and they're not gonna help you with your trading, because it's gonna be messy all over the place and it's just going to add noise in your trading. So what you want to do is go to settings and really make this and this the same color as your background. And as you can see, those lines are not here anymore. So again, here and here it needs to be the same, like the color of your background. So I'm gonna make again color of background white, and again, as you can see, we have those black lines in the background. So we want to make it white, and they will disappear. So you have your background really ready. Okay. Next thing we want to do is go to symbols and really look at how we want our candles to look like. Okay, so for my candles, I'm using this color on 65 for the bullish or not. I'm not sure right now, but I think it's 65. I'm gonna yeah, or this one. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna look at it later. So the first one is bullish candle. So the first one will tell you the color of your bullish candle, and the second one will tell you your bearish candle, color of your bearish candle. So for bearish candle, I'm using this color on 65 also, and this is not my chart. I need to see it. This is my chart. So I already get saved up. So it's the third one on 65, yeah. Third one on 65 and this one on 65. What is the problem? I don't know, but it doesn't matter. So again, guys, this on 65. Let me go back if I can. I cannot go back. Why? Because it didn't draw anything. Never mind. So again, you want this. If you want to copy my chart, you will make this color on 65, and for bearish candle you will make this color on 65. Okay, next thing what you want to do is borders and wicks. Okay, and everything needs to be black. Okay, if you see it like it's another color, it's really not good. I don't know what is the default colors, but it's really messy and really not good. You need to check everything on black. So 100% black, everything. And this is gonna give you really those small details that you need on your background. So you can see that this is black. Okay, the borders are black of the candle and the wicks are black. So you're being able to see every bit of price action there is. Okay, everything is clean. Okay, it really is good for eye. Okay, when you look at it, when you look at the chart, it's really beautiful. Okay, so again, guys, you're gonna need to set your appearance. Okay, so this is gonna be white, this is gonna be white, this is gonna be white, and then symbols. If you want to copy mine, it's third one 65, this one 65, and this needs to be black. Okay, so you're done with your chart. You want that right now to save this template because as you can see, this is unnamed. We're gonna name it later, and we're gonna add more layouts on our chart, and every time we make a new layout, it's gonna pop all over again. Okay, so what you want to do is go to settings, and when you're finished with your charts, you want to save it. Okay, so you're gonna go to template and you're gonna go save as. Okay, and you're gonna name it what is going to be the name of your chart. So let's say it's going to be I don't know, mine is already chart, so let's make all the big ones, and it's gonna be chart 2. Let's say chart 2, and you're gonna save it. Okay, and you're gonna see later, it's already here, and you're gonna see later when we make a new chart and we click new chart 2, we don't need to do all over again everything. We're just gonna need to click here, and really our chart is gonna be there. So that's the first thing when you are really managing, when you're going to when you're managing and trading, what this is the first thing you want to do. Okay, So the second thing that you want to do is make this a little bit toolbar. Okay, this is gonna be your favorites, what tools are you using. So again, this tool is for drawing. I like to draw when I'm doing forecast, when I'm doing education. I need it for you guys to understand everything. So this is going to be basic trend line. Okay, we don't use trend lines, but again, it's gonna really we can play with it. This I'm using oops, this is the text. Okay, this I'm using really to point out the certain things. So I'm writing down something here. As you can see, you can write down on it. I'm gonna go into details about it. So this is, you can use it for highs and lows. You know, if you're struggling with highs and lows, you can mark your highs and lows with it. Here I'm using this for supply and demand zones, and again, you can change color. Okay, so this text area is, maybe it will be like this, and you're gonna be like, why can't I write down on this? You know, you need to click here, and then you can write down everything. Okay, so again, when you're writing down, the text is gonna be black. Okay, this is gonna be like how big the text will be. Okay, so you can play with it. Okay, and this is stupid, like something you don't need it. And here is where you can really make where is your text. It's going to be on top, it's going to be inside, it's going to be on bottom, it's going to be left. You can really play with it. I like to be in center when I'm really using this for supply demand zones or blocks. You can write supply or block, okay, etc. Style, okay, I'm using white because my background is white. Okay, so I don't have these borders, like black borders. I don't like this. It's not clean for eye. Okay, you can do it if you want it. Again, it's your preference. I like to make it white as my background, and I here on the background I'm using again this color, but on 10%. Okay, you can do whatever you want. It just needs to be clean and really good for eye. When you've done with everything, when you make your template, again, what you want to do is click on template, wanna save as, and you want to really write the template name. Okay, so you're gonna maybe make it like order block. Okay, or this is example of supply, so you're gonna make this supply. Okay, yes, it's done. And next time you're doing this, you're just gonna tup supply, and it's already done for you. So it's gonna save your time for writing. Okay, so let's lay this. The next thing that I'm using in my favorites is, again, where is bro? White, so it needs to be black. So I'm using this really to point out something or to draw something. You know, you don't need it if you don't want it. This is for text, so you can write something up, down. This is for, again, something like, let's say we had this order block here and the price has done this, boom, hit our stop loss, and here you want to take this, okay, and you want to write down why did your stop loss get hit. So like you're gonna say AU loves to shot up from standing price action, and you're gonna really use this for marking all the little things in your trades. Why did your stop loss get hit? Why did your trade took the profit, etc., etc. All the small details you can write with this. Okay, so this is really short and long positions. I can see this is long position, this is short position. Again, you can save that too, so you can really click here and you're gonna see styles. Okay, so this is gonna be lines, they're always black for me, and stop color is 3rd on 10, so you can really play with it. Okay, you can make it as you want it. Again, guys, so stop color, target color. Okay, you can play with it. Again, both of mine are on, this is on 10, this is on 10 or not. wait a second. Target color is on 20, yeah. Target color is on 20, so there's a little bit of difference. Okay, so I'm using that, and again guys, after you're finished, you want to click on template, save as, and you're gonna write down like okay. What can you do also is go in inputs and make your stop loss like 10 pips, and you can save that too. You know, if you were trading with 10 pip stop loss, 20 pip stop loss, etc., so you can save that also. You can name it like save as 10. Sorry, stop loss 10, and you're gonna save it, and you're gonna go hit OK, and next time you are trading and your stop loss is like 90 pips, you're gonna go like solo 10, and there is your 10 pip stop loss. So you can do that also, and you can do that for short position also, and I'm using this, okay, sometimes when I'm marking the wicks or certain demand areas. So there is your toolbar, okay. This is your main toolbar, and this is your favorites. Why I didn't speak about this is because you're not gonna use this left side. You're always gonna use your shortcut keys. But again, how is going to be accessible? This is going to be accessible when you click here and you make it a favorite. As you can see, the trend line right now is in my favorites. If I unclick it, the trend line will disappear. So you're gonna go through all of this and you're gonna see what are you using, okay, for your shortcuts. What are you gonna use for your shortcuts? And you're gonna really add your trend line. I'm using again arrows, I'm using horizontal line, vertical line here, and I'm not using all of this stuff, okay. So again, here you can see my favorites. Here I don't have anything because this is for Fibonacci, etc. This is something also that you're using, that you can use here, indicators, patterns, etc. Here is something also that you can use. You can use whatever you want, you know. This is my personal favorites that yeah, you can see, you can sort it also. Just click on it and drag it so you can sort it to where you want it, etc. So yeah, that's pretty much it for your toolbars, for your favorites. So it's gonna be, you can click it and you can play around with it, okay. So it's gonna be your short keys, like short keys. You don't need to click here and then look where is this. You know your favorites, what are you using on your favorites, and you're just gonna click it and really have it, okay, by our side. So that's pretty much it for toolbars, okay. This toolbar, this section here is for your watch list, okay. So you need to make your watch list. You can rename it, you know, you can do whatever the fuck you want with your watch list. You can click here on plus when you want to add something. So I already have everything in my watch list. So when you're deleting something from your watch list, you're gonna click here, it's gonna delete it. And let's say we want to add Bitcoin, so but it's a USD, I'm gonna add it and it's gonna be right back here, okay. So this is your watch list, what are you looking at when you're trading, and you can really play with it. You can make all repairs. I wouldn't recommend to add all of these pairs right now that I'm trading. Start with backtesting. First go through education and start with backtesting. First start with AU, start backtesting AU. When you have been finished with AU, when you have your trade plan, you have all the years backtested, you have your checklist and everything, you can add EURUSD and you can say, okay, I mastered USD, RUSD, I'm gonna trade it live. And then when you're finished with AUD, you can backtest AJ. Then when you backtest AJ, you can backtest AU, and then go etc. and backtest all the pairs that we are using. But don't use like GBP AUD if you haven't backtested it, please guys. So always first backtest the pair, learn their characteristic, price action, everything, feel comfortable with that pair, and then when you feel comfortable with that, when you're really master the pair, then go and backtest another and master another pair. So this is the really only thing that you will be needing. Here are some stupid things like you can see, I don't know, I don't really use it, so this is something for news, etc. This is your notifications, so you're gonna not be using this type of stuff, maybe if you're setting an alarm, but I don't do that. So yeah, this is really what you need. Your watch list is here. Okay, so bottom is something that you wouldn't be doing nothing. Okay, so here is also something that you wouldn't be needing. We need here, we're going back to it in a second. So here you're gonna there is a button here, go to, you're gonna use it for backtesting. So when you click it, you can go back and really, let's say we want to go to April 2021, we're gonna click go to, and sometimes it lags, and you need to do this. Can you please not lag? Can you please not lag? Never mind, but guys, it has lags. It lags sometimes, but again, when you're backtesting and when you want to backtest something, maybe I didn't do it right. Maybe you need to click on the date 2 and then go to, and you can see now we did write down where we want to go, and background is gonna be white. The chart is gonna be missed. Where is my chart? You're gonna wander here and look for your chart, but it's not gonna appear, and that's a really hard thing to do. You have on the right bottom corner this button auto. You're gonna click it and you're gonna see it will bring you to that period that you wanted, that you write down. So that's the come on right now, that's the thing that you want to be using when you're backtesting. Okay, so this is your backtesting tool. Again, here you can really jump to, here is going to be when something sometimes TradingView lags also, and it wouldn't be like that you cannot do that. You could up, right, or down on something, it's unavailable right now. Just click here and drag it a little bit, and then you're gonna be able to do it. I don't know why it happened, you know, but when it lags sometimes, you can just do this and it's gonna be, everything is gonna be fine. So when you're backtesting, here it's gonna be play for automatic play. You can set the speed that you want the price to play. So it's gonna be like that. But I recommend when you're backtesting, go candle by candle. So do it yourself. Don't let the price play by itself like this. Don't do that. Do this when you're backtesting. Okay, and that's a tool for backtesting. Here on upper corner, you can really look at the pairs, but I don't use this. Okay, why? Because I have all my pairs here on my watch list. You can use it, but you need to click every time, you need to look for a pair every time, etc, etc. Here I know where's my pair, so AJ, AU, AJ, GU, everything. So I know already where are they, and it's only one click, two click. And here you need to click, you need to write down, you can go through the chart, you know, and etc, etc. So this button is for that. You're gonna use here is gonna really be your time frames that you're using. So from 1 month, 1 week, 1 day, 4 hours, etc. You can look at it like that. And here is gonna be your candles. Okay, always make this second one, so it's gonna be always candles. You don't want a line or etc. You don't want a halo candles, etc. You want candles. Okay, and indicators, we are not using indicators except this one. So write down IBSV2, Okay, and the first one, you're gonna click it, and it's only the indicator, and the indicator is showing you inside bar candle. So your life is gonna be easier when you use it. You don't need to look where is my inside bar. Always it's like automatic. So again, you can click at it and you can go to settings and you can really change the color of your inside bar. I'm using it like I think on 61, I'm not sure anymore, 60 or something. So you're gonna want to add trading inside bar to your chart. Okay, so all this we're not gonna using alarm. If you're using, I'm not using alarms. I don't know why, but I just don't. And replay bottom is for backtesting. Okay, then this right here. Okay, if you draw something, let's say if you draw something and you want to go back, you're gonna click here, go back, go back, go back, go back, and it's gonna delete, it's gonna go back. If you do something not right and you messed it up, you can really clean that mistake here, or you can do this also. Okay, so that's pretty much it from this. And here on this photo, you can really copy link to the chart when you want to send analysis, markups, some questions maybe about something, never mind what, backtesting, everything. You can really copy link to the chart and you can paste it. You will use this also when you're making your trading journal, when you're saving those trades on your template. So you're gonna click here, you're gonna click here, and then you're gonna paste it wherever it needs to be pasted. So here you can zoom out the chart. You can click on the escape button, escape on your keyboard, and you can go back at it. So again, it's the full chart. It's not the full chart. And this is something that you will be needing. Okay, this is where you're gonna be organized. You can click here and you can see that you can make a new chart layout, or you can load a new chart layout. This example, first we want to rename it. Okay, so we want to rename this chart. Right now it's non-named. We want to make it on live. I already have one live, so I'm gonna write it like live here, and you're gonna save it. Okay, so this template, you know, it's always gonna be when you're trading live. And guys, you can make as many templates as you want. Okay, so let's say load chart layout, and you can see how much here I'm having backtest, I'm having when content creation, when I'm creating something from Instagram, I have backtest 2, I have again content creation, I don't know why I have it 2 times, I had these different layouts. Again, I have a live, I have weekly recap, etc, etc. So you can add whatever the fuck you want here. Okay, and everything when you click it, it's gonna add to another template. So let's make a new chart layer. Let's say we want to make, so this is gonna be your organization. So you want to have a template for backtesting separate. You don't want to do everything on one chart, okay, because you want to save the data that you're backtesting. So first you're gonna have for backtesting, second you're gonna maybe have for forecasting, third one is gonna be for journal, etc, whatever the fuck you want. Okay, but that way when you have a lot of layouts, you're gonna be organized. You're not gonna be only using one template, and on one template you're gonna trading live, you're gonna do your forecasting, and you're not gonna do your backtesting, because everything will be messed up and it's not clean and it's not organized. So every time you want to do something new, let's say we want to make a new chart layout for backtesting. Okay, so again, the new window will pop out and we already have done everything. So you can only click on settings, right click, settings, template, chart 2, and here is our charts. Okay, so again, we want to click this volume out of here and we want to add EBSV2 indicator. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You can again change the color, and that's pretty much it, guys. Your new chart is ready. Again, you're gonna click here, you're gonna rename it, you're gonna make it like backtest. Let me say like that because I have two ones. So you're gonna save it, and this is gonna be your backtest. Okay, and next time you're gonna let's say I'm gonna close it, and we're trading live right now. Okay, so we're trading live and we want to go to backtest. So we're gonna go here, load chart layout, and we want to go to backtest. And here is our template for backtesting. So you okay, so you're gonna mark everything down, your backtesting, and when you want to save the chart layout, you're gonna just want to click here, and you can see it's saved. Right now you can exit, and next time you're going back to it, you're gonna go load chart layout, you're gonna go backtest, and you can see all the data, everything that you have drawn and then you have worked here, it's gonna be saved. Okay, so that's for the layouts, and the layouts will make your job easier. You're gonna be more organized. Okay, so that's basically the everything about TradingView. I can really give you a few examples of like lines. Maybe you want to make the lines for break the structure. Okay, so you're gonna go to text. Again, this needs to be on. You can write it down like break of structure. Okay, you can go it like a middle, you can go it for the upside, you can go it for the downside. If your boss is happening to the downside, you're gonna make it to the downside. If your boss is happening to the upside, you're gonna make it to the upside. Okay, and again, you can play with really font size. And again, guys, you can go template and you can save as, and you can see when I click boss down, it's gonna be for down. When I click boss up, it's gonna be for up. So you can make everything. You can make change of character, you can make etc, everything, you know. And you don't need, when you're doing your analysis, when you're doing your markups and forecasting, you don't need to write everything down. You know, you can really just click. Okay, it's gonna make your life easier. Okay, so yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I don't know, maybe I have forgotten something, because I didn't go with the plan. I didn't write it down. I just click record, and everything was from my head. I didn't have it in paper, guys, so I think I didn't forget anything. I hope so. If I did, please tell me. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope your TradingView is going to be organized and your chart is going to be clean next time you are posting something in TradeSmart community. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Wish you all happy trading and see you in the next one.